Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you, and more specifically show you and tell you about an easy way to make your feet feel warmer. That's right. If you generally have cold feet, and not in terms of like cold feet like nervousness, not the figure of speech, but in reality your feet feel chilly, feel cold, this is an easy way to make your feet feel warmer. I use this method at night to warm up my feet, and that allows me to actually have a better, more restful sleep. But if you work in an environment, or if you're standing in an environment that has a cold floor, this is a great method for you as well. It's very, very simple, okay? Now, I'll tell you what to do, and then I'll tell you why it works, okay? So what I have here is a pair of socks, okay? And we're gonna imagine that my hands are my feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pretend that I put on my sock on my foot over here, okay? Like we're doing a sock puppet here anyways. Hello, how are you today? But anyways, I put my sock on my foot, as you can see, all joking aside. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a second pair of socks, and you're gonna put that second pair of socks over your foot, and you're gonna place them nicely on your foot, and you're now wearing two pairs of socks. Now, a little trick is, before you put that second pair on, make sure you pull that first pair nice and snugly, because if you let a wrinkle go in the first pair, then you're gonna feel it through the second pair, and it's gonna get annoying. So pull that first pair up really snugly, and then put the second pair on. You're now wearing two pairs of socks. This will keep your feet warmer, and it's such an easy way. The thing is, you're doing twice the laundry with regards to your socks, but not such a big deal. They're just socks, right? They don't take up a lot of space in your laundry at the end of the week. Anyways, with that being said, I'll tell you why it works. If you just have one pair of socks on, okay, the floor is making contact with that sock, and that sock is directly touching your foot. So the temperature of the floor will get cushioned by the sock, but you're still getting a pretty cold temperature touching your foot. Now, I'll tell you why this really works really well. The temperature of the floor is going through to the first pair of socks over here within the double pair. That temperature has been reduced, okay? That reduced temperature is then going through, like that warmer temperature, in terms of reduced coldness, that warmer temperature is then going through the second pair of socks that is touching your foot. And by the time that warmer temperature hits that second pair of socks, the second pair of socks has enough insulation property to really just bring that temperature almost to like where you're not even gonna feel the cold. So then when that temperature gets to your foot, through that second pair of socks, then you're basically, it's already brought to a temperature that's like a normal body temperature almost, where you're basically not even gonna feel the cold, okay? And this will really, really work. And the benefit of this is that it also doesn't add much thickness to your sock. So like you're not gonna feel like you're like really walking on the cushioning, but it does give you good insulation properties, okay? In addition, no one's gonna notice that you're wearing a second pair of socks. Okay, and also if you're putting your socks in shoes, then you can still basically fit your foot in the shoe when you're wearing a double pair of socks. Doesn't add much in terms of thickness, and that's basically it. You know, at the end of the day, you got two pairs of socks on. It works really well. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial / tip, whatever you want to call it. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.